Dear students, we want to extend you and your family a very warm welcome to Riyadh College of Law, Ropar campus. The college years are an exciting time when a student embarks upon new adventures in the world of learning. Each year will provide important transitions and the gaining of new skills that will enhance each student's ability to apply learning in many ways. These college years are going to be very exciting and busy as we learn and grow together. Riyadh College of Law is committed to providing a challenging and rigorous curriculum that helps each student progress at a developmentally appropriate rate and provides a safe environment for all students. We look forward to seeing all the new faces in our college. Let's meet our highly qualified and experienced faculty members of Riyadh College of Law, Ropar campus.
Good morning to all. It is my pleasure to welcome you all at Riyadh College of Law. Since you have joined law course which requires utmost discipline and hard work, therefore I advise to all of you to be sincere and honest towards your studies so that whatever goal you want to achieve, you may achieve. Thank you.
Good morning dear students. Myself Dr. Mahendra Singh, Vice Principal, heartiest welcomes you for starting a new journey in the legal profession. I once again wish you all the best for your future endeavor. Thank you.
Dear students, congratulations for joining the field of law. I am Manish Kumar, your teacher for political science. Together, we will ensure that you have an interesting and fruitful learning during the time ahead. When I say together, I make you an equal partner in the process of learning. So, I expect you to be responsible, sincere, and demanding. Have a wonderful 5 years ahead at Riyadh College.
Dear students, on behalf of Riyadh College of Law, I take this opportunity to congratulate and welcome all the students who have been admitted to Riyadh College of Law. We are committed to help and guide each and every student to be successful at the college, and we are counting on you to play an active part. All the best.
Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to Riyadh College of Law. You are entering into a new phase of your life, and you have done a very good thing in choosing law as a career, and as well as choosing Riyadh College of Law to be part of your this journey. I wish you best of luck and would advise you to make the most of these 5 years. You can learn a lot that would help you not only in your career as well as in lives to come. Thank you and best of luck.
Morning student, I welcome you all in RCL family. You will start here your new journey in a legal field which makes you a different personality in the world. Start your journey with a goal, that is life is a purpose, purpose is a life.
Students, legal career which you choose is a very noble and interesting career. Whatever goal you choose in this, either to become a successful advocate, or you want to go in judicial services, or you want to pursue in the academics, you must show the devotion towards it. Because as it was rightly said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our former President of India, that to succeed in your mission, you must have a single-minded devotion towards it. I'm pretty sure that this 5-year journey will be full of joy, knowledge, and learning for you. In the end, I again want to welcome you all